Hey guys, Matt here again from handylifehacks.com. Today is day number 15 of my Whole90 or 90-day Whole30 challenge. Um, got on the scale this morning. I'm now weighing 214.6 pounds, which has me down from beginning this thing 14 days ago at 230 pounds. So doing well, doing well. My weight loss over the weekend wasn't quite as good as I would like. I only lost zero point 0.4 pounds between today and yesterday, and I think it was zero point 0.2 pounds between Friday and Saturday. So um, only a net loss of about zero point 0.6 pounds. But again, like I said in a previous video, some loss is better than none. It's a loss, it's not a gain. So that's good. Um, so anyway, real quick rundown of the day. For breakfast, I had nothing. Fasted again through breakfast, and then just had some coffee. And then for lunch, I put some olives and some spinach in a cup and poured some broth over that and threw it in the microwave, and I had that for lunch. And that was good. The olives gave it a nice touch, a nice salty pop, if you will. It wasn't bad. And then for dinner, we made some sort of fish soup type of a thing. I don't know. It was really good. It was really creamy. Had some coconut milk in it and curry and a bunch of other spices. So I'll leave the recipe to that in on my blog, and you can find the link to that in the description below. So that's all I have for today. So I will catch you guys tomorrow.